You find him, Lincoln?
No,
you hear it? Oh man, check this out, Lincoln. Watch out, Lincoln. Please watch out.
Ring of 44.
He said what? He said
What
what?
the fuck? Something just came from the ceiling, Lincoln. Some just... No.
What you have, Lincoln?
You gave him the hand and did something.
Oh man. You find the bird?
I ain't seen him on this side. He might be on the roof.
I told you he's on the other side with the hats. He's by the hats, Lincoln.
Yeah.
Lincoln, you got something on your back.
You know, bitch ass edging. I shit knock the
It's
fuck
bird
out.
shit, bro.
Knock the fuck out of that.
You got bird shit on you?
Oh man.
Lincoln, a bird shit on you?
Yeah, they come in and spread something on me.
Oh, you're good, Lincoln. Relax. Relax, player. Where's that bird at?
Wait, is that bird shit on there?
No.
It's over there in the room.
Here, it's over here, Lincoln. Come over here. Baby.
Yeah. That's what Puncher said.
Yeah, you get them all stuff because of the bird.
Boy. I still hear you. Y'all ain't got the mother yet. You want me to help Puncher?
Help us, please, Lincoln.
It's taking shit everywhere. It's taking shit. I see him over there. It's taking shit everywhere in the fucking t-shirt. What is it?
You hear it, right?
Yeah, I hear it.
They put shit everywhere in the t-shirt, so we're trying to take them off.
Oh, I can't stop laughing, Pancho.
I can't.
Y'all got a tape recorder up there?
No. You,
Yeah.
I told him how we took out. Come on, Lincoln, look at all the stuff we pulled out from the bag.
No.
Dynamite, where
It
is it?
sounds like it's closed, Lincoln. It sounds close, don't it, Lincoln?
Yeah, it sounds
Come on, stop talking,
Oh,
China.
where? They fly over there. Huh?
Someone's in the bump.
You see back there where
What the
light
fuck
is?
is
Where?
that, Lincoln?
Where the light is back
What's
there.
that?
Hey, Lincoln, I think it's.
That's where the nest is. There's a nest back there.
I think it's by the clothing rack.
Lincoln, where's the bird at?
I don't know.
It sounds by the clothes, Lincoln. Listen, listen.
Oh! Go get that shit, Lincoln.
Where?
Come to check.
Take
Oh man.
I ain't got no tape recorder up there and it sound like a bird. Where the mother sound close?
It ain't up, man. It sounds like it's in the clothes.
Lincoln, the clothes right by you.
Sound like you up there. You might be wounded. That's right there.
Oh man, check the clothes, Lincoln, please.
Y'all got a tape recorder or something in there?
Check into the clothes, Lincoln.
Yeah. Put that here.
What happened, Lincoln?
Every goddamn thing happening. You gonna make no noise with that bird. You gonna make no noise.